Hello Ascenders! And in this video we're going to be doing polygel nails. I got a kit right here from Modelones. It comes with everything you need. So why don't we get started? Let's go! This kit comes with everything that you need. It also has directions on how to apply polygel and how to remove it. Comes with 6 different polygel colors. But before I pick my polygel colors, I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails first. It's very important before you do your nails to properly prep them because this will make your nail extensions last longer and overall it will make your manicure look nicer. I'm going to start with my favorite cuticle remover, which is the Blue Cross cuticle remover. Then I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles and remove the dead skin. If you are using a metal cuticle pusher like me, you got to be really gentle or just use a cuticle wood stick. Then I'm going to clean my nail plate with some white distilled vinegar. Most people use a nail dehydrator. I don't have that. And for me, vinegar works just fine. After I've prepped my nails, when I'm doing gel, I like to set up the lamp. I love it when sets come with their own lamp because then you can be assured that it will cure the gel because it is certified for the gel. I like how this lamp is pink. It comes with a USB cord and it has a button on the back. Me and my brother always joke that these mini lamps look like flying saucers. Alright, now let's pick our colors. I like how these polygel colors are sealed with a seal. The seal is kind of hard to get off, but I guess they just don't want polygel going everywhere. There is a purple, a blue, a pink, and this is like a coral red, and a turquoise, and a beautiful pastel yellow. Alright, I've picked my colors, and here's the picture that I got inspo from. I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel base coat they gave me, and then cure it in the lamp. Then I'm going to grab a blob of the blue polygel and the purple polygel and throw that on my nails. Now, when you're picking your dual form to put on your nail, you want to make sure that the dual form is not too small or not too big, that it just fits your nail nicely. Kind of takes me a while to pick out the right size dual forms. I'm going to grab the brush they gave me in this kit, and I'm going to take some of the slip solution. I'm going to put some of it in the cap. I think it's just rubbing alcohol. I'm not sure. Then I'm going to clean it up a bit and then turn my nail over and fix the underneath. You can also just put the polygel right in the dual form and form it there, then place it on your nails, but I kind of like blopping it on my nails. After I've formed the polygel, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp, and then you can turn your nail over and cure it in the lamp again if you want to cure the underside. Then I'm going to shape the polygel just a little bit. If you want to remove product, you go up and down, but if you just want to shape the polygel, you can just go side to side with the nail file. After I have filed the polygel, I think it looks really nice with the purple coming from the bottom of the nail. I could just wear them like this, but I think I'm going to add a little something. So I grabbed my nail foil glue and I applied that. Then I took some beautiful silver foil and applied it to that sticky area, cured it in the lamp. I really like the Modelones gel base coat and top coat. I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Then I'm going to turn my nails over to even out the gel, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. You always want to seal your polygel nails in with top coat. Sometimes I apply 2 coats of top coat, but today I just did 1. If you would like to get 50% off this Modelones polygel kit off of Amazon, I will put the link down in the description box down below. I highly recommend checking it out. I love how these nails turned out. I really like purple and blue together. It reminds me of the Wild Berry Pop-Tart, which I grabbed inspo from, and I really like the hint of silver foil. I'm very happy to do another Modelones polygel video because I always go back to my Modelones polygel. I have more expensive polygel and I have cheaper polygel, but I always use my Modelones polygel. I don't know how to explain it. I just really like how easy the formula is to work with, and I can't wait to use the other colors in this kit. And would you like to watch a video on how to remove your polygel? Then click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. See you in my next. Bye.